a point to prove to a fuck bitch. He call me Barbara cause I cut a nigga out quick. I don't need your problems or your dick. I don't need his funds, I hold my shit. Machiavelli go missing on soul. What's low without the yo? Get bold, I let it blow. I just can't trust the hoe. Chillin' with some Zoes and I don't even bang, but you know how that go. Niggas say my name, put my legs on the floor. Make a bitch tap out, you made it hard to avoid. Trust the hoe. Chillin' with some Zoes and I don't even bang, but you know how that go. Niggas say my name, put my legs on the floor. Make a bitch tap out, you made it hard to avoid. Past so destroyed, would you ride for me? Court date, would you stand and testify for me? I was the first at the scene, not his side piece. Bitch, I seen a nigga first when he hit his knees. The next day I told him to call you, not me. Baby boy, a big blood, but I keep it G. He a boss, but he do what a sucker do. Gemini get moon swings out the blue. I'm fucked up and I'm gon' fuck up too. I'm on the 20, nigga, what you want me to do? I got the drip, but I'm coolin', so I call it juice. He knocked the pussy out the frame like his name Bruce. I get it tight, she'll call it cause she real loose. Bitch, I don't have a point to prove, but I got to prove. I don't have a point to prove, you can call me Zeus. Real bitch do what a real bitch do. Gemini with my moves, I match my attitude. I don't have a point to prove to a fuck bitch. He call me Barbara cause I cut a nigga out real. I don't need cousin Ricky or Uncle Nick. I don't need no family on my dick. But static cause I hold my own shit. Go missing when I want shit. I'm what her nigga want. These hoes won't leave me alone. I don't have nothing to say to you. He gon' eat it up and beat it all day, nigga. Put the tip in slow like why you play, nigga. And I only fuck with niggas making 8 figures. Look, and I ain't even making 8 figures, but I'm running around his mind like an 8 figure. And I know he think I'm rude. He say I'm feeling you. You got me feeling new. Block ticks ain't going through. Gemini with my mood. Gemini with my mood. And that's just on that. Two-faced bitch. Don't come at me about nothing, cause I don't know nothing. But if you want me to tell you, I'ma motherfucking tell you, bitch. That's how Gemini is. Bitch going out talking about she wanna fight. Aight ho, I'ma pull up. Yeah, I'ma pull up. Why your homegirls out here though? What the fuck you need back? Alright, I got something for y'all. Cause I got a 9 on me. Play with it. And if these bitches think shit sweet, I got a 9 on me. And if these niggas play with me, I got a 9 on me. Don't worry about that. Bitch, don't worry about my aim. You can't run, nothing won't change. That I got a 9 on me.
Delmarie on the track,
I got a
bitch.
9 on Girl, pick up your face, stop flinching up. Pulled up with the stick, I ain't come to thump. 1200 little chain, bitch, you fucking trunk. Stimulus the way you get you some allowance, huh? That's the only way you ever had a balance, huh? Yo nigga trapping all night, but his funds low. When I ask him, I hear yes, I don't hear no. It's that pot smoke when I let that gunner blow. Aimed it at the sky, now I see him getting low. He said he liked the way I act, he called me psycho. Got him screaming in the bed like Michael. 3 tries, boy, you better not fumble. I'm getting cocky out of being too humble. Left that nigga told him download Bumble. He was sweet, so I made his cookie crumble. Call me Lucci, I'ma let that nigga wonder. And I'm the most hated in the city. But I been getting money, been lit. It ain't shit a nigga got me, I ain't get me. Carrot Baskins, he lied on, now he missing. Bitch, get off social media with all the diss. Look, I ain't speaking on no beef unless it's mentioned. I'm hard-headed, you can call me Rapunzel. I put it out, I make them stop, stare. I got a 9 on me. And if these bitches think shit sweet, I got a 9 on me. And if these niggas play with me, I got a 9 on me. Bitch, don't worry about my aim. You can't run, nothing won't change. That I got a 9 on me.
Delmarie on the track,
Niggas talking up ahead, but just can't get me out his head. Don't have nothing on my face, but all the hoe do is stare. And bitch, you pregnant by that nigga, and he still don't care. Old goofy clown bitch, hoe soft as a bear. Taking nigga in while he still be sleep over here. Sneaking out when you call, he got his face in my rear. I don't mean no harm, I know you used to try to be my friend. Wait a minute, yo nigga blowing my phone up. I got a 9 on me. And if these bitches think shit sweet, I got a 9 on me. And if these niggas play with me, I got a 9 on me. on me. Bitch, don't worry about my aim. You can't run, nothing won't change. That I got a 9 on me. I got a 9 on me.
On your ass one time, clink clack on your ass one time. Got your nigga tryna fly me to play. Click clack on your ass one time. Damn, being bad, my being crime, yeah. But I still be on this mind.
Love me though.
If you love me, look, there's 3 things you should know. I'm faithful, I'm loyal, but don't you try me like no hoe. If you want me, nigga, you should let me know. But if you think that I'm tripping, little nigga, you can let me go. If you want me, nigga, you should let me know. But if you think that I'm tripping, little nigga, you can let me go.
Stars in the ceiling, we ride through the city, my thighs look revealing. You want a piece of this kitty? He like, how you feeling? You fly, come with me. Say, hey, 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 won't you be my baby? I'm drive you crazy. If you fuck with me, say it. If you stuck with me, display it. Excuse your reputation, presentation, and all that shit. And you get frog in your lip, just what you call that shit. Got a tampon on me right now. What you supposed to do right now? I just want the racks, and no, I cannot bite down. Hey, 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 won't you be my baby?
If you love me, look, there's 3 things you should know. If I see a little effort, I might show a little more.
A little more.
If you want me, nigga, you should let me know. But if you think that I'm tripping, little nigga, you can let me go. If you want me, nigga, you should let me know. But if you think that I'm tripping, little nigga, you can let me
Hey, it's
go.
all love though.
If you want me, nigga, you should show me more.
Nothing
If you
personal.
want me, nigga, you should show me more.
Show me more.
I get round you, my heart be racing. But I'm getting to the money, that's what I'm chasing. Hit house with about 2 or 3 basements. Fucked around and told me no, I had to take it. And I might fuck around and give you opposite. Don't get comfortable with what I'm offering like ottomans. I just wanna be the one, hold you down and take all the mans. Keep me from falling in. I don't need another embarrassment. Like a Jehovah's Witness, I get out your way and perish it.
Say hey, 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 won't you be my baby?
If you love me, look, there's 3 things you should know. If I see a little effort, I might show a little more. If you want me, nigga, you should let me know. But if you think that I'm tripping, little nigga, you can let me go. If you want me, nigga, you should let me know. But if you think that I'm tripping, little nigga, you can let me go. If you want me, nigga, you should show me more. If you want me, nigga, you should show me more. I say you don't want war, you don't want beef, you don't wanna see Dragon Ball Z. I say you don't want war, you don't want beef, you don't want the lion, you don't want the beast. What you saying to me? Ain't what you saying the streets, ayy, what you saying repeat, ayy, don't you saying delete. It's kinda hard to compete with someone who beneath you.
What you saw, you gon' read my games like
I
for
say
me.
you don't want war, you don't want beef, you don't wanna see Dragon Ball Z. I say you don't want war, you don't want beef, you don't want the lion, you don't want the beast. What you saying to me? Inherit the earth, the meek, and find something safe to do. Find several seats. Try my best to speak, but I fuck with real OGs, and I'm getting brain from a big old freak, and I'm walking around with a stick on me. If you see a clown, that's my rich homie. When you see me down, drop that dick on me. Tell them how you went broke, cause you can't fix phony. Got these bitches watching, got that tick on me. Ever since I stashed That's why I protect my peace. When you chasing desire instead of clout, it's hard to retire all that bullshit that easily put your mind on fire. I'ma keep it a bill, nigga. These niggas ain't real niggas. Broke ass niggas still rolling out of them, still switching. See, I done got older. Now I'm sipping on Foga. I can't let a nigga take me. I look over my shoulder. Toyota the model. I can switch it to Rover. I be trying my luck like a 4-leaf clover. Got hitters in the Nolan. They oughta know I'm a soldier. Bitch, I ate with the vultures. Get on your head and the rollers. You don't want war. You don't want beef. You don't wanna see Dragon Ball Z. I say you don't want war. You don't want beef. You don't want the lion. You don't want the beast. What you saying to me? Ain't what you saying the streets. Ain't what you saying repeat. Ain't don't you saying delete. It's kinda hard to compete with someone who beneath you. Ain't what you saw you gon' reap. My games ain't for me. You don't want war. You don't want beef. You don't wanna see Dragon Ball Z. I say you don't want war. You don't want beef. You don't want the lion. You don't want the beast. What you saying to me?
Okay, we're coming to the end of the video. This is easy as the makeup gonna get for the beginners. As far as everything I have right now, it's not really much. But go download my songs on iTunes and follow me on all social media platforms. I hope y'all having a wonderful day. Goodbye.
I got my legs in the air, he be grabbing on my neck. I got him begging me for mercy. Let him hit it from the back, boy, you better pull my hair like you're riding horses. He gon' give it to me anytime I want. He can get it anyway, he know I'm down. I got problems, but a fuck nigga ain't one. I got problems, but a fuck nigga ain't one. I'ma get this money first, secure out in no backseat. Stay up on my grind, I cannot let these bitches pass me. That money, it be calling me. These niggas, they be all on me. I'ma get this money first, secure out in no backseat. Stay up on my grind, I cannot let these bitches pass me. That money, it be calling me. These niggas, they be all on me. These niggas be all on me. Stop tripping, don't fall on me. I want you, stop calling me. I guess that's the ball in me. Yeah, I'ma get the money, my y'all. Do you love me? Oh no, I make him break the law. He fucking up my car. Man, nigga, get your fine ass in the bed. Ponytail going up, I won't beg. Come and slap me like a slut drip between my legs. He look conflicted, wanna break the dick in me and say, pull my hair and bust it in me, that's that good Remy. Pussy so good, turn that nigga to my enemy. I shoulda knew you was a punk, I see deals, I send me. I got my legs in the air, he be grabbing on my neck. I got him begging me for mercy. Let him hit it from the back, boy, you better pull my hair like you're riding horses. He gon' give it to me anytime I want. He can get it anyway, he know I'm down. I got problems, but a fuck nigga ain't one. I got problems, but a fuck nigga ain't one. I'ma get this money first, secure out in no backseat. Stay up on my grind, I cannot let these bitches pass me. That money, it be calling me. These niggas, they be all.
I don't have a point to prove to a fuck bitch. He call me barber cause I cut a nigga off quick. I don't need your problems or your dick. I don't need his funds, I hold my shit. Machiavelli go missing on souls. What's low without the yo? Get bold, I let it blow. I just can't trust the hoe. Chillin' with some Zoes and I don't even bang, but you know how that go. Niggas say my name, put my legs on the floor. Make a bitch tap out, you made it hard to avoid.
You play with the